Howdy everyone, this is Graham Fynham with Town 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. We're at the fabulous 8119, the 8119, and these are delectable apartments. This is a gorgeous high-rise. We're gonna go see inside of it, but I wanna show off just one feature that I think you're absolutely gonna love, and it's a very professional concierge valet service. It starts with the valet service out here, so doorman is out here. And you know what I like is he holds the door for everybody. There's a very nice bay that you drive up to, so your car is sheltered, and it's a beautiful experience, much like a five-star hotel. Beautiful experience. I noticed too, I actually captured a little bit earlier, but the valet helped the resident out to the car, open the door for them, and then was available to to close the door and be a perfect gentleman almost to that resident. I sure like seeing that. This is what it looks like here. He's already been very helpful to me. Hello, how are you doing? Just you're gonna have this kind of experience. Thank you so much. You'll have this kind of experience walking in at the valet. So just a beautiful experience already. That's just at the valet service. Now we're gonna walk through, and we're gonna take a picture, take a peek, just what the first floor looks like. So let's take a look at that right now. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Use the number below.